It's Robert Knight with Pressure Washing Knight here. We got this sidewalk here today that we're doing in front of this condo. We've already pre-treated it, so we're only doing up to the sidewalk on this door. We're not doing anything that direction. And then we're doing this all the way down, and then on the back side they have a deck that needs to be soft washed, so we'll be doing that too. So here's all this. I'm going to be getting that as well, all pre-treated. It's all just sitting right now. And then all the way down to the end there. Right, well, we got this pressure washed. It's looking great. Fantastic turnout. I just got some cleanup to do here. Then I need to go get some more chemicals so I can soft wash their back deck. But let's give this a look real quick. Just the difference from how it used to look, the way it looks now. Is here on this back deck now. We're about to get this guy. We're going to be treating it and getting it in shape. Not a huge deck, but definitely could use a treatment. So we're gonna get it sprayed with the sodium hypochlorite mix of water and the surfactant, and we're gonna get it all looking nice again. So yeah, let's get started on that. That's it. We just finished soft washing this deck. It looks fantastic. And that'll be it for this video. Thanks for checking it out today, and you guys have a great one. This is Robert Knight with Pressure Washing Night, signing out. Bye.